Hello, I am Ludovic Henry. In this video, I present Fairy School, a game I designed. Fairy School is an expert game with resource management, deck building, and simultaneous play. It is a competitive game that favors positive interaction by rewarding players that help the others. In Fairy School, you play a fairy learning how to invoke creatures and benefit from the creatures of the other fairies. A game of Fairy School is played in several rounds. In the first phase of each round, you fill the empty slots of your board by drawing the right number of cards and placing them where you want. In the second phase, you choose two columns of cards that you want to play. Cards that come from the top row are shared with the neighbors. In the third phase, you can use the effect of the cards you have put in play and the cards shared by your neighbors. Cards generally produce or transform resources, but there are also some deck manipulation effects. In the fourth phase, you discard the cards in the two corners of your board, allowing you to study a creature. You cannot study twice the same creature, and if you study the two creatures associated with the same element, you gain a permanent power. At the end of each round, you progress on a kindness track, depending on how powerful were the cards you shared with your neighbors, and if your neighbors used them. You also shift all the cards in your board. Twice in the game, you will choose 3 cards that you put aside, and then at any time you can pay the cost of one of these cards to add it to your deck. At the end of the game, each player gains points for each invoked creature, for their progress on the kindness track, and with a final project that players can realize during the last turn. Some of the permanent powers also provide points. At the end, the fairy with the most points wins. To summarize, in Fairy School, players need to plan their turns and produce the resources they need to invoke creatures. They need to share the right creatures with their neighbors and plan which creatures to study. The interaction between players creates an original atmosphere at the table. If you want to know more about Fairy School, please contact me.